Hi guys, my name is Adam, and in this video I will show you how to install and import the demo content of the Divi Station e-commerce child theme for Divi. Then we will talk a little bit about the options and functionalities that come with this child theme. Okay, before uploading our child theme, make sure the parent theme Divi is installed. Click Add New, Upload Theme, choose File, select the Divi Station e-commerce zip file and click Open. Then click on Install Now and activate. After activating our child theme, in the WordPress admin menu, hover over Divi Station e-commerce and click Import Demo Data. Click on the Import Demo button, scroll down and click Continue and Import. Now we just need to wait a little bit. This process will take from 3 to 4 minutes. I'll pause the video and I'll come back when we're done importing the demo content. Alright, our demo was imported successfully. Before getting started, there is an important action you should do immediately after importing the demo content. Because sometimes, after importing the demo, the front page loads fine, but any other page returns a 404 error. This usually happens if your .htaccess file got deleted or something went wrong with the rewrite rules. What you need to do is fix your permalinks settings. And to do that, go to Settings, Permalinks, and simply click on the Save Changes button. Next step, I want you to click on Complete Fibo Search Activation Now. Click on Skip, then check this box that says Replace all Divi search bars with the Fibo search. Next, select Autocomplete, scroll down, and check this box to show Details panel, then Save Changes. Now go to Plugins and activate WooCommerce Wishlist. And let's complete this quick setup wizard. Click on Let's Go. And here under Page Setup, make sure you click on Continue. Then just skip all the rest of the steps. Then return to the WordPress dashboard. Alright, now the last step we need to do to make our website 100% like the live demo is, we need to update the WooCommerce default cart and checkout pages with our custom layouts. Because after activating WooCommerce, WooCommerce creates these pages automatically. I mean, Shop, Refund and Returns, My Account, Checkout, and Cart. And if you visit the live demo site, you will notice we are using custom layouts for the checkout and cart pages. And these layouts are saved here in the Divi library. So let's go ahead and update these two default WooCommerce pages with our custom layouts. Go to Pages and open both Cart and Checkout. Click Use the Divi Builder and then click on this button that says Edit with the Divi Builder. Now click on this settings icon in the bottom, then click on the plus icon to load our layout from the library. Now under your saved layouts, select Cart. Make sure this box that says Replace Existing Content is checked and click Use this layout. Then click on the green Save button to apply changes. Okay, now let's do the same for the checkout page. Here you need to select the checkout layout. And let's save the new changes. Last thing, go to Pages, My Account. And for the page layout, select the No Sidebar option and click Update. That's all. Now our website is 100% like the live demo site. The only difference here, and due to licensing restrictions, the images from the live demo are replaced with placeholder images. Alright, now let's discover together the options that come with this child theme. We have three options under header. First option is Mobile Menu Breakpoint. A breakpoint is a point where the website content responds according to the device width, allowing you to show the best possible layout to the user. The default value is 1097 pixels, but you can adjust this value depending on your case. The reason why I added this option is to avoid having two lines of links in the menu navigation. The minimum value you can enter in this field is 982 pixels. Next, we have an option to define the header logo height. Usually we can do that from Appearance, Customize, but for this child theme, you can change the logo height from here. The last header option is the top header text. This text will show up in the left side of the top header. Next, we have two options for the shop page. The first option allows you to enable or disable the Add to Cart button or select options in case of variable products, and the next option is the filters title. The text of this field will show up here and here. The next options are related to checkout. The first one allows you to hide the header and footer from the checkout page. The most important thing we want the customer to do on the checkout page is to click on the Place Order button. So it would be a good idea to remove anything that could distract the customer from completing his order. The second option is Autocomplete Order. When a customer places an order, his order status will be processing, and you will need to change the status from processing to completed manually. If you want all order status to be completed automatically without your interference, enable this option. This is useful specifically if you are selling digital products. Customers expect to download the digital product immediately after purchase, and they won't have access to the download link if the order status is not completed. The last options are related to Bloom. Bloom is an email opt-in plugin you can download from the Elegant Themes members area. You can enable or disable the quick register component. You can choose a color for the background, and here where you can enter your opt-in ID. Let's create a new opt-in. Go to Bloom, click on New Opt-in, and select the inline type. Select your email provider and complete your form integration setup. Then click Next. Choose a template, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Customize. Here where you can design and configure your opt-in form. After you finish, click Next, then Save and Exit. Now click on this brackets icon to generate a shortcode. Then copy the value of the opt-in ID, paste it here, and save changes. Refresh the page, and here we have our opt-in form. Now let's talk about the CSS classes used in this child theme. To activate the mega menu, you will need to add this CSS class to the parent link. If you don't find this field where you can add the CSS classes, click on Screen Options and make sure the CSS classes box is checked. You can show and hide the opt-in form by clicking on a link or a button that has the following class, like in here and in this sign up button. To keep everything as it is, don't remove any CSS class or ID from here if you find any. For example, if you remove the CSS class from this Woo Products module, this products slider won't work. Here you have 3 options, 2 for 2 columns, 3 will give you 3 columns, and 4 if you want to show up 4 columns. By the way, you will find all used CSS classes in the documentation page of this child theme. Alright, I created 2 custom widget areas for this child theme, Sticky Filters panel, where you can add the product's filter widgets. The second custom widget area is after a single product. The content of this widget area will appear after the related products section. Okay, back to the filters panel. Did you notice the absence of the filter products by price widget in the front end, even though it's activated in the back end? This issue usually happens after importing products, and to solve it, we need to regenerate the WooCommerce table responsible for filtering products. And to do that, go to WooCommerce Status, Tools. And right here, where it says Product Lookup Tables, click on Regenerate. After that, clear WooCommerce transients and clear expired transients as well. Finally, let's refresh the page and see if the problem is solved. Now the Filter Products by Price widget is working fine. If it's still not working for you, just clear your browser cache. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll do my best to help you out. Take care.